Day 1. Take back your morning. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Not to punish yourself, but to send a message to your brain. I run my life, not comfort. Those 30 minutes are not about time. They're about identity. You start the day as someone who chooses effort over ease. Day 2. Feed your mind. Read 10 pages. 10 tiny pages. That's all it takes to escape your old thinking. Books are the closest thing to time travel. You absorb someone else's decades, in minutes. And suddenly, you don't think like the old you anymore. Day 3. Do the 2-minute rule. Everything you avoid, every small task you keep postponing, is quietly teaching your brain to run. 2 minutes to break that pattern. 2 minutes to become someone who finishes. This is the day procrastination dies. Day 4. Control tomorrow, tonight. Plan your next day before you sleep. Because drifting is what keeps you stuck. Direction is what makes you dangerous. When you wake up already knowing your mission, you stop reacting and start commanding your life. Day 5. Protect your energy. Say no, not to be rude, but to finally respect your time. Every yes you give to people who drain you is a no to the person you're trying to become. Today, you choose yourself. Day 6. Track your money. You know what gives you peace? Knowing where your money goes. Because when you track it, you control it. And when you control it, your future stops feeling scary. Respect money, and it starts respecting you back. Day 7. Cut one distraction. Not all of them. Just one. One app. One notification. One habit that steals your focus and your potential. Block it for 1 hour. Watch your brain wake up, like it's finally breathing clean air.